Hey guys, this is Dana from Torn Galaxy, and in this video we're going to take you on the rock and roller coaster starring Aerosmith ride here at Disney's Hollywood Studios in 4K at 6 frames per second. We hope you guys enjoy the video. Please make sure you all like and subscribe, as it will be greatly appreciated. Become a part of the Pod Squad. Also remember to hit the notification bell to know whenever we go live or making a video. Also make sure to follow us on social media, Torn Galaxy on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get to it.
Kids, be sure to keep an eye on them. And remember that you'll need to stow all bags and loose items. If you're traveling with any large packages that won't fit at your feet, you should leave them with someone who's...
Hello, welcome to Studio C. My name is Alex. Don't worry, I'm not a pre-recording made by Disney. They can never imagine anything as cute as me. I am a real human being. Do me a favor, just no climbing, standing, sitting, or stage diving off the silver handrails. No flash photography or external video lighting. Now that I've covered everything I'm legally required to say, let's get Aerosmith's attention. Everyone go, hey Steven!
Wow, alright. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute. Yeah.
What's the hey? What are you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show. Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's usually not like this.
Yes, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
That's okay. Everyone say goodbye, Aerosmith.
I didn't know where to go to the right. Hold on. I told him.
Hey, wait a minute. Well, we can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
Oh.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah. Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Hey Stevie, how about those backstage passes, man?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Make it happen.
Okay, make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
See ya. Have a nice ride.
Bye, Sally. It's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch.
There's a lot of them. Make it a little bigger.
Make it a super stretch.
Yeah.
Right. Excuse me. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car.
Where'd you leave it?
Okay, wait. It's out in the alley.
Why would you leave that big expensive limo in a sketchy alleyway? I guess you'll find out. As you make your way down this way, make sure...
Hello, Los Angeles. Bill St. James here, broadcasting live from the Aerosmith concert. Seems like everyone in town is heading to this show, so there's traffic everywhere you go. But don't worry, we have this concert covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station.